Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to help you determine the molecular geometry for CF4 molecule. It's a chemical formula for carbon tetrafluoride, and to determine its molecular geometry we first need to look at its Lewis structure. So this is the Lewis structure of CF4, in which carbon atom is in this center and it is forming bonds with 4 fluorine atoms. Here all the atoms have complete octets, so it is very important to check all these things before determining the molecular geometry, because the lone pairs, the number of atoms forming bonds with central atom, is important when it comes to determining the molecular geometry. So we can use either the method of steric number to find out the molecular geometry, or we can also use the AXN notation. You can also view this molecule in the 3D shape to find out its molecular geometry. If you look at its 3D structure, you can see that this is the central atom of carbon over here, and it is forming bonds with 4 fluorine atoms, and all these atoms are spread out evenly in the plane, and hence it has a structure which is similar to tetrahedral structure. But to confirm it further, we are going to use the formula of steric number and AXN notation method. So the steric number for CF4 will be 4, because there are 4 atoms of fluorine atom that are forming bonds with carbon atom, and whenever the molecules that have the steric number of 4 with 0 lone pairs, as there are no lone pairs on the carbon atom, has a molecular geometry of tetrahedral. So it confirms our assumption that the CF4 molecule is tetrahedral. And you can also check out the AXN notation method. If you want to determine the AXN notation method, the formula is AXN. Here X is the number of atoms forming bonds with the central atom, and N is the number of lone pairs. As here 4 fluorine atoms are forming bonds with carbon atom and there are 0 lone pairs, the AXN notation will be AX4N, like there are no lone pairs, and hence it would be AX4, and hence you'll also get the molecular geometry as tetrahedral if you refer to that table. So I hope this video helps you to understand the molecular geometry of CF4. The molecule has a bond angle of 109.8 degrees, and I hope this video helps you to understand that better. And for more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.